Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I do want to quickly say that if you're new here, this channel searches all the job boards daily, trying to weed out all the scams and cherry pick just the best remote jobs that are hiring right now. And generally, we share them with you on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. Now, I don't work for any of these companies, so I cannot control how many applications they're accepting, how long they leave the job post up before they take it down and start scheduling interviews. So please make sure, if you never want to miss out, that you're subscribed to have those notifications turned on so YouTube will alert you as soon as I upload a video and put the job leads out, so you can kind of go get those applications in before the jobs disappear. And as always, I have links in the YouTube description box below the video if you need to get to any of the pages that I'm sharing, Glassdoor pages or the application pages. And I also have timestamps down there if you want to navigate through different parts of the video. If one job is not for you, you might want to skip ahead to the next one, and that is absolutely okay. But in today's video, we have some part-time jobs, because I know some of you have been posting in the comments that you're looking for part-time jobs. So we have a few of those. And then, of course, I think I have like 4 full-time jobs. 2 of them are high-paying and dealing with listening to phone calls, kind of giving customer service representatives that feedback. We have Yelp hiring, we have Zillow hiring. So without wasting any more time, first up, we have our 2 part-time jobs. MetLife is like an insurance company, benefits company for many different companies use them to do their benefits. They have 7,700 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for somebody to be a statement of health reviewer, or basically review statement of healths coming in. This is part-time, virtual, remote, work from home. Now, please note all the jobs that I'm sharing are for the United States only. But you are going to be responsible for doing the data entry of group life insurance, disability applications. You might have to answer some phones and assist with the vendor process as well. But the main part of the job is reviewing the statement of healths that come in and identifying and obtaining any missing information to evaluate that statement of health form, so you can put all the missing information into the system. Now, one way you might obtain this missing information is pick up the phone, make an outbound phone call, and ask the patient what the information is. So this might require you to be on the phone. You're going to have to make sure that you have great grammar and spelling in your written communications if you send emails or any kind of written communications with people. You are going to respond both by written and telephone inquiries from these life insurance policyholders, employees, and account reps. Just making sure that you identify any situations that require referral for medical underwriter, and all the information is there. So you are kind of like the gatherer of information. Only requires a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of data entry or related type of experience. Pay for this one is $20 an hour. Now, I used to share ModSquad on this channel a lot years ago, and then I stopped kind of sharing them. But what ModSquad is they are a company that contracts for temporary positions with larger companies. So they've been known to contract with like NFL, things like that, for companies that need really temporary part-time work. Maybe they have this big project that they need done, but they don't want to hire a permanent employee themselves because it's going to be like a 3-month project and that's it. So ModSquad contracts with all these companies to provide basically part-time temporary employees. They have 705 reviews with an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an engagement moderation. Now, this is remote for the United States. And so the mods are really going to assist and guide customers online to the right answer, solving concerns. With GPS, you're really going to be that GPS or guidance for the customers, understanding how to best use the client's product or services. Now, a lot of their jobs are going to be online moderation, non-phone. This one does not say if it's phone related or not. They do have some phone jobs, just know that. But they are really looking for somebody. I know a lot of people were looking for like part-time weekend jobs. Somebody who can work 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Tuesday and Thursday, and then 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday through Sunday. Sunday. They're looking for somebody to really work 12 hours a week, and this is a temporary 3-month, 90-day contract. It does say pay will be discussed in the interview. No college degree is needed, just somebody who is comfortable responding to customer service inquiries, somebody who can do research, finding information out when you don't know it for the customer, somebody who is able to kind of like think on your feet to get those answers quickly, a team player. Now, if you have moderation experience, that's a plus, not required. You do have to have, because these are temporary positions, your own internet and your own computer. Now moving into the full-time positions, we have Hospitable hiring. Hospitable only has 19 reviews from past and current employees, so please always do your own research with any company before giving them your personal information. I do like to share startup companies from time to time because they very well pay. They pay really on the high end. They do have a 4.5 out of 5-star rating, and they are looking for a lead customer support advocate for the United States. Now, Hospitable is a company that builds software for Airbnbs to use. It is software that's kind of automated so that Airbnbs can basically rent themselves using state-of-the-art product and user experience. And they are looking for somebody to manage queue distribution and workload across the U.S. support teams, maintaining target response times. So this is almost like you are not a regular customer service rep. This is almost like a supervisor or team lead to the customer service team. So you're kind of managing and overseeing the entire customer service team, meaning you're going to make sure that they are scheduled and staffed appropriately. You're coaching and developing the team members through regular one-on-one or performance reviews and real-time feedback. And so part of coaching and developing customer support reps is that you are basically going to be listening to and reviewing their call quality and monitoring their quality and checking on that, kind of scoring and grading them, and then giving them documentation for any feedback that you have for them, and also like having a one-on-one meeting with them to talk through what they did right, what they could improve on. You're also going to help support them with any technical troubleshooting or customer communication they have. So if their computer's not working right, you're going to help kind of talk them through that. So you are basically their mentor. So you're creating and optimizing support processes and documentation to help the customer service team reduce friction and kind of run better so that the customers get that best service that they can. Now, this does not require any kind of college degree. They are looking for somebody who has experience in customer support. They prefer somebody who has support in like the software as a service industry before. You have a proven track record of managing support queues. You have great problem solving abilities. You can be somebody who kind of coaches and develops team members, so you have strong people skills and you're data driven with your mindset. Now, pay for this one, again, because startup companies pay high, is $81,787.68 a year on the low end, and that can go up to $90,875.20 on the high end. Now, moving on along, we have Yelp hiring. Yelp is the online review platform. Probably needs no introduction. They have 5,700 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a retention specialist account manager. Now, this is going to require the weekend shift, and this is remote for the United States. Please note, even though they're hiring in the United States, it's excluding the Bay Area. I'm assuming that is part of California. But they are really looking for someone to help strengthen Yelp's revenue retention by providing great customer support. So retention means these are customers that Yelp already has, businesses that probably already subscribe to Yelp's services and product line, and you're trying to keep them as a customer, keep them loyal, and not have them cancel their account and leave. Most of the time, retention means they're already thinking about canceling, or they are calling in to cancel, and you are trying to provide them a solution for what is causing them to cancel so that they stay on. So you are just going to educate Yelp advertisers by answering the calls and emails and showing them the value of staying on with Yelp by highlighting their investment returns through ad performance metrics. So you're really just kind of learning and becoming an expert in Yelp's advertising solutions for these businesses, and again, just trying to keep them on as a customer. Now, they do want somebody who either has a bachelor degree. If you don't have a bachelor degree, do not worry. They say that they'll take 3 years of relevant client-facing experience over that. So if you have customer service experience with clients, they will take that over a bachelor degree. They're just looking for somebody who is technically proficient. You can kind of manage computers, information systems, softwares. You can kind of work out your own tech bugs and tech issues. You have strong communication skills, great problem solving skills, and somebody who is excellent time management and organizational skills. Now, pay is going to be $50,000 a year. That's your base salary. It does say that you get performance-based incentives, bonuses, things like that on top of that. And of course, as promised, we have CVS Health hiring. CVS Health has 46,000 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a grievance analyst or call reviewer. This is going to be remote, I'm assuming for the United States. Please note that it says work from home, Arizona, and it does say you're going to be part of the grievance team out of Scottsdale, Arizona. So I'm assuming they're hiring nationwide since CVS is a nationwide company and they don't state in the job description that they have any state restrictions. So that's just my assumption, but please know I'm not positive on that. But they don't state that they're only looking for someone in Arizona. Just know you're working with the Arizona team. And so therefore, if you're outside of the time zone that Arizona's in, you're going to have to work their daily business hours. So you're going to have to convert your time zone to see if that works for you. But they're basically looking for someone to partner with their customer care and care quality team to improve the accuracy of grievances filed. Now, what a grievance is from a healthcare perspective is when the insurance company or even the patient, when a claim does not get paid for whatever reason, grievances are filed. And you can appeal it or you can file a complaint. A grievance is basically a complaint. So it could be coming from the member or customer, things like that. And so your role is going to be listening to these recorded phone calls, these member inbound phone calls, and determine whether the grievance or complaint that was filed has been filed and evaluated for accuracy based on the documentation within the grievance. So you're making sure that that customer care member took that grievance correctly and did everything in a quality order. So you're really kind of looking for trends from the customer care sites and representatives with regards to grievance filings, making sure that everything is running smoothly. If you find trends of where you can do better, that's where you're going to give feedback on process changes. Good thing about this is they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and they're looking for somebody who has 2 years of experience working with customer service or computer applications using Microsoft Office products, somebody who can kind of be strong analytical skills, be a problem solver, make sure that you can give that constructive feedback in a polite manner. Now, if you have experience with pharmacy benefits, that's a plus. It is preferred, might get you to the top of the line for an interview, but is not required. And the pay for this position starts at $43,888 a year. $43,000 a year is a little over $800 a week. Goes up to $85,068 a year. $85,000 a year is going to be a little over $1,600 a week. And of course, they put down here the application window is going to close on February 28th of 2025. So it looks like you might have a little bit of time to get those applications in, but sometimes jobs have been known to take the application down before they state they will. So make sure if you're interested in this one, you go ahead and get that application in. Next up, we have real estate giant Zillow hiring. They have 2,200 reviews with an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a connection specialist. This is remote for the United States. They don't have any state restrictions. A connection specialist is really trying to help people connect with Zillow products and real estate professionals. So it's more on the consumer end, helping connect them with the products that Zillow offers that would be helpful to them, and also kind of help them connect with a real estate professional if they need one to help them look for houses or things like that. So you're interacting directly with these customers who needs solutions from Zillow. You're connecting them with the correct products and professionals that can help them achieve their goal. So you are kind of talking to them. What are you looking for? What do you need? What are your goals? And then you are finding out of Zillow's database, because they work with lots of different real estate agents, the perfect people to help them and the perfect products for them. So you're kind of almost like a secret shopper of Zillow products. You're kind of recommending what specifically would help that customer with their goals. You're going to collaborate with your peers and leadership to build an environment of trust, self-discipline, and friendly competition to achieve team goals together. So you really got to make sure you're driving that accountability, not only for yourself, but your team. Now, pay for this one, because it is like a basic customer service job, a little bit on the lower end, is anywhere from $15.70 an hour up to $23.50 an hour. But they don't require any college degree. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of account management, customer service, things like that. Somebody who is a quick learner, somebody who can do both inbound phone calls and outbound phone calls, so you're just comfortable on the phone talking to people. Somebody who can be engaging, you can story tell. You've got to kind of have a salesy mindset, driving trust in those Zillow products, have great problem solving skills, and of course be able to use those computer software systems like Microsoft Office and Google Suite. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.